If your ElevenLabs voice suddenly stops generating, don't panic. Most people think their account is broken or banned. It's usually not. In fact, this ElevenLabs voice not generating issue is one of the most common problems, and you can fix it in under a minute if you know what to check. Let's go step by step. First, refresh the page. Sounds basic, but this fixes a lot of cases. Sometimes the generator just gets stuck, especially if you've been using it for a while. If that doesn't work, check your text. Long scripts or unusual characters can break generation. Try shortening the text or removing symbols, then generate again. Even splitting your script into smaller parts helps. Next, check your credits. A lot of people miss this. If your ElevenLabs credits are finished, the voice simply won't generate. Go to your account and check usage. If needed, wait for reset or upgrade your plan. Now, the big one, VPN. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. ElevenLabs sometimes blocks requests if it detects unusual activity or location changes. This can stop voice generation completely. Turn off the VPN, refresh, and try again. Another quick fix is switching browsers. If you're on Chrome, try Edge. If you're on one device, try another. Browser cache or extensions can sometimes interfere with the generator. Also, log out and log back in. It resets your session and clears temporary errors. If nothing works, wait a few minutes. Sometimes the system rate limits requests if you generate too many voices quickly. Just pause, then try again. Now, quick summary of the fastest fixes. Refresh the page. Shorten or split your text. Check your credits. Turn off VPN. Switch browser or device. Log out and back in. One of these usually solves it within seconds. If you're still stuck, you can contact ElevenLabs support, but most of the time, you won't need to. So if your ElevenLabs voice is not generating, don't assume the worst. It's usually just a small issue, and now you know exactly how to fix it fast. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.